Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a synthetic wig review for the fall. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Sensational Latisha, and we got it in Auburn. The curls is bouncy. Here is how the hairline looks fresh out of the box. This is really pre-plucked and it's giving. It comes with baby hairs. If you could actually see the lace, that means it's a good wig. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps and elastic band. It's a 13x6. It's real HD lace. I'm loving this color though. One of my followers told me to try this. Running my finger straight through it, but you do get a little bit of tangles. And you get a little bit of shedding. If you're interested in this wig will be in my Amazon storefront in my description box.
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them passing the way, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch of both. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. God, period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and no gunner bus. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody clothes. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the collar, the for the sun. I broke and see his pop, 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she sucking and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga gon' run for my problems, we sucking up wallow and swallow. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. No PF, still let the new BML. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. So you drink up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us till they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm warring. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, slowly smoothing in a prison. 150 tiny, Richard Menlo. I'ma put the game into his empty. Look, colors, spit the flavor to the empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. Make my last and no walking up.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, floating Neiman. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like,
like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like a scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, filling out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Fuck they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged.
What lace? Like, real.
I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands to Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. He got me while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knob. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and Baddest be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. Or the hating bitches to the bag. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn bitches be going outside. She a back, she show her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands to Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Feeling the shit, I'm showing my Gucci. PJ's telling me,
smoking on my